Something's different.
It's the new year, according to driver.
The old one was better. This new one is... Well, look, it's grey and cold and dull. Where'd all the snow go?
Came and went with Christmas, I suppose.
I'd like to have gone with it. This dreary weather doesn't make me want to leave the shed.
At least you can, unlike our little friends. I wonder what they do all winter long. Plenty of time for a wash down. Although I suppose there's no one to do the scrubbing. Maybe they... I wish a good scrubbing would wipe away those bad manners. I might as well talk to myself.
Passing Kirkmacken filled Eleanor with a strange sensation.
That's a nice present. Happy Christmas, Mountain Engines. We're locking you up until springtime.
She grumbled on up the line, with nothing bettering her mood.
I've had it. These are no conditions for an engine to work in. I'm going back to my shed.
No, you're not. Work doesn't stop just because you're feeling glum.
Glum? I'm not... Ooh, how dare you suggest you're glum?
Oh, such a shame when the January blues comes around.
I don't have that. What is that?
A bit of a low after the Christmas eye. A trip to the doldrums, some say. It hits us all in different ways.
Well, it hasn't hit me. But I think I know who it has.
Well, whoever it's hit, you better try and cheer them up.
That's exactly what I'll do.
And so, when she passed Kirkmacken again, Eleanor tooted her horn with increasing jubilation. Thinking it was for them, the gangers waved and shouted.
Right, I'll just have to be louder.
What is she doing? Is she trying to summon the circus? She certainly acts like a clown with all her antics.
Oh, come off it. Eleanor's a good sort. Her jokes are harmless fun.
I reckon she's trying to cheer us up, but I'll bet she thinks she's failing with the looks you two give her. Remind me to tell manager not to give you the window seat next winter.
Are you alright? I thought you were raising an alarm.
I'm fine.
Ooh! Is it a new trick? Can I help? The last one was wonderful fun!
No.
Is this to do with your January blues?
Is it question Eleanor Day? Go back to your silly coaches and leave me be.
It is the January blues. Clever detective work, Edith. Thank you, Edith. Ugh. I don't think I like this talking to myself business.
Another run up and down the valley, with even louder honks, yielded the same results for Eleanor.
Bother. I'll have to come up with something else.
By the time she reached the junction to meet the main line, no new ideas had come to her. Is that all? You've usually got loads of trucks for me. Oh well, must be the post-Christmas slump.
Yes, that's it! A big, long train. That'll excite them, surely.
When she next returned to Peel Godred, she shunted as many trucks together as she could, more than she normally took in a trip.
Couple them all up, please. Have to bring the mainline engine something worthwhile, you know.
Putting up no argument, the shunter fastened the couplings, and eager Eleanor was away. The gangers were working hard on the loop at Kirkmacken, where a set of points stuck between lines had halted them.
At ease, boys.
This'll jazz 'em up good. Poor little engines don't even get to take proper goods trains. What a treat they'll...
Stop!
Good gracious! Are you giving all our trucks to the mainline engines as a late Christmas present? Or is the whole of Peel Godred moving house?
I'd certainly like to know the reason, seeing as I wasn't told of our extra load.
Were you trying to exercise the January blues from your system?
I don't have... Oh, all right. I do. I thought cheering up our little friends would make me feel better. But I just feel worse.
A nice gesture, but I think it's time my little friend was cheered up. Shall we go back to the shed for a chat?
All right.
Good. I'm eager to talk to someone who isn't me.
A few days later, Eleanor was back to work. She still felt a little down, but that was about to change.
You're decidedly quieter today.
Coldy? What are you doing out here?
I'm taking the maintenance crew to inspect our line. It's nice to get some fresh air. Where have you been? I missed your hoot these past few days.
You did?
Oh, certainly. Wilfred and I enjoyed how it irritated Shane and Ernest. Manager's in the shed now, giving them a stern talking to about laughing at you. I don't think he'll be giving them the window seat again.
Eleanor felt more like her old self again. She was thankful for Edith's care and Cody's comedy. She still hoots her horn near the mountain railway shed. Just so everyone knows, the January blues have gone.